ready to turn your creative passion into passive income. First, choose your niche. Brainstorm planner types like daily, weekly, fitness, or even specialized planners for students or entrepreneurs. The narrower the focus, the better. Now, design your planner using user-friendly software like Canva, GoodNotes, or Procreate. Focus on creating visually appealing layouts with customizable elements. Make sure it's easy to navigate and aesthetically pleasing. Pay close attention to fonts, colors, and graphics. Consistency is key to a professional-looking design. Consider using a cohesive color palette and a limited number of font styles. Create mock-ups that showcase how your planner looks in action. Use high-quality images that highlight the user experience and features. Next, optimize your Etsy listing. Write a compelling title and description using relevant keywords that customers will search for. Include detailed information about your planner's features, benefits, and compatibility. Research relevant keywords related to digital planners and incorporate them into your title, description, and tags. This helps Etsy's search algorithm find your product. Promote your planner on social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest. Use eye-catching visuals and engaging captions to attract potential customers. Finally, engage with your customers and provide excellent customer service. Respond promptly to inquiries and address any concerns to build a positive reputation. This encourages repeat business and positive reviews.